Hello everyone, welcome to Vilukti Education. So 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. Then divide 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. Now 2 divided 2 is equal to 1. Okay, but this answer is not complete. Sorry, not correct. Because according to order of operation, we have to solve this problem from left to right. Okay, because here is a more than one division, 1 2 and here 3 division. Okay, therefore we have to solve this problem from left to right. So therefore we have to solve this this part, then we have to solve this part, and then again we have to solve this part. Okay, now let's start. So 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. Then divide 8 divide 4. Okay. Now move from left to right. Therefore first we have to solve this part. So 2 divide 8. So we can write as 2 by 8. Okay. Now according to KCF rule, keep the first fraction same as it is. Then change this sign. So change this sign from division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Therefore flip the second fraction 4 by 1 to 1 by 4. Okay. Now 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2 and 8 multiply 4 is equal to 32. Cancel this and cancel this is equal to 1 by 16. Okay. So the correct answer is 1 by 16. If you like this problem, then share this video with your friends and families.